What is going on, YouTube? Back with another video. As you can probably hear, I have my Shorty GP exhaust installed with the baffle this time. So I figured I'd take her out on a little ride and see how she sounds. Last time I rode with the Shorty GP with no baffle, it gave me a headache within about 5 minutes. So we're going to take her on the same road I took. And see if it makes a difference. Oh, she sounds good. Also today I got a new helmet, so I had to rewire all my stuff into this one. Helmet fits a whole lot better, a lot more comfortable, and I think it looks better. And the third addition I got on the bike is a driver's backrest, which I'm leaning forward right now and I can feel it on my back, so I'm not 100% sold on if I'm going to keep this on there or not. We'll see. Kind of a late start for a ride tonight. I was out of town all day. I just got back a little while ago, had some dinner, got my GoPro set up on my new helmet, and got my exhaust put on, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for a quick jaunt around town just to kind of see what the difference is, how the new helmet feels. Yeah, so far I like it. It's not too loud. Definitely loud enough to get me noticed. Oh, I love the cracks and pops. You know what? Son of a bitch. Oh no. I thought for a minute there I forgot my wallet at home. I was gonna have to turn around. But I got it. Yeah, the backrest, I don't know, it's not uncomfortable. Maybe I just have to get used to it. Definitely more support on my back, which I think is good for me since I've had multiple back surgeries already. Yeah, I'm liking the way it sounds now. Definitely opened her up. Scaring the kitties off. Yeah, helmet fits nice. My last helmet, it was rubbing on my nose a little bit, one of the pieces, so That was very annoying. So I got a better fit one today. Got a scorpion helmet to match my gloves and my jacket. So I know I'm wearing tennis shoes right now and just regular blue jeans, but for the most part my gear is all from the same person, same company. And I want to give a huge shout out to Heather at Wheels Power Sports in Fargo, North Dakota for hooking me up on this helmet, giving me some good information, and just being overall super helpful. So thank you, Wheels Power Sports. Oh yeah, this ain't giving me a headache at all. Love it. Speed limit on this road is only 45, so I don't want to go too fast and, you know, end up getting a speeding ticket. But yeah, I was kind of bummed. It was a super nice day and I was stuck out of town all day, not able to ride. So I'm hoping I can get out tomorrow and ride some more. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend the Shorty GP baffle from Radiant Cycles, but with the baffle in. Well, this sounds great. I can shut up now and just let you hear the raw audio. Alright, so what do y'all think of the audio? I don't think they're going. I don't know what they're doing. So yeah, for 60 bucks, if you get the Shorty GP with no baffle, or about 75 with the baffle, that's definitely cheaper than some of the other ones out there. I know you can get better quality sounds with a premium price, but if you want to go cheap like I did, the Shorty GP with the baffle is the way to go. I think it sounds amazing, and it's just going to make me want to ride my bike even that much more. Alright, one little trip down Main Street, and then we'll call it a night. Oh, that sounds so good. Yep, I'm in love with this bike now. I already was before, but definitely. Not much going on a Tuesday night. Yeah, no, the backrest is kind of comfy. Doesn't make me feel like I'm gonna fall out of the seat. Uh-oh. I just said it was too quiet on a Tuesday night. Now look. so much joy in riding a bike. I don't know why I waited so long in life. To be honest, I had a pretty shitty day, and this just brightens me up. Makes me feel good. Yeah, and there come the street lights. The old saying, when the street lights come on, it's time to go home. And that's where I'm headed. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you prefer the Shorty GP with the baffle, or if you prefer the stock exhaust. Let me know what you guys have on your Rebels. Till next time, peace.